Why must the jivas suffer? Guruji answers, the jivas possess some independence, which is a sign of Bhagavan's special mercy upon them. However, being opposed to Krishna, the jiva has become impure through engaging in material sense gratification. Therefore, he must be purified by suffering various miseries in this material world. By suffering miseries, the misery of the jivas opposed to Krishna finally transforms into happiness, or finally leads to happiness. Suffering is therefore just a sign of Bhagavan's mercy. That is why intelligent people see the suffering of the jivas in Krishna's pastimes in the material world as auspicious. The foolish people only see a source of misery. Then the disciple Bhadranath asks a question. Well, Krishna is all-powerful. Why couldn't he think of a path less troublesome and miserable and painful for the jivas to become rectified and elevated? Guruji answers, this is one of Krishna's pastimes, which are variegated and wonderful. Bhagavan can perform all kinds of pastimes because he's independent and almighty. No pastime can be rejected if there is to be true, full variety. Besides, even Krishna's parishas, nitya parishas, or participants in other pastimes, they also accept some suffering. Krishna is the enjoyer and the active agent. All ingredients and paraphernalia are controlled by his desire and subject to his activities. It is natural for a person to experience some suffering when he is under the control of some other person. If that suffering brings pleasure in the end, then that person won't consider it true suffering. How can you call this actual suffering that the jiva is undergoing in this Srishti Lila, or this Kridartam Atmanam of this Tri Jagat?